Life in the Stone Age was harsh. Every morning brought a new journey, often undertaken on an empty stomach. When the hunt failed, the consequences were immediate. This hunter returns empty-handed, meaning his tribe faces a night without food.
Sharing the spoils of the hunt was vital for survival. As the last pieces of meat are distributed, the bonds of the family unit are reinforced. For early humans, migration was a way of life. They followed the great herds, like these mammoths. Facing an uncertain future, the tribe migrated with the seasons, following the herds that sustained their way of life. He didn't know it yet, but this wild wheat held the key to their future, signaling the dawn of a new age, agriculture. Observing the patterns of nature, early humans began to understand the potential of the wild grasses around them. This moment marked a pivotal shift in human history. For the first time, these early people began harvesting wild grains. It was perhaps this kind of happy accident, the spilling of wild grains onto fertile soil, that first taught us the secret of agriculture. With careful observation, they tracked the passage of time. From the first sunshine and rainfall, through the warmth of summer,
and so, where the seeds had fallen, something entirely new began to emerge from the soil. It was a discovery that would change everything.
this was the dawn of agriculture.
Look how big they are getting!
We will not go hungry this winter.
The careful placement of seeds into the fertile riverside soil represented a revolutionary step towards civilization and settled communities.
By carefully observing the cycles of the sun, these early farmers began to understand the rhythm of the earth. This pivotal moment marked
the gentle rain was a blessing from the heavens, ensuring the survival of the newly planted crops and the future of the tribe. Utilizing simple stone knives, these early agriculturalists developed efficient teamwork to harvest wild grains. Recognizing the bounty of the river, the tribe made a pivotal choice. They ceased their migration and began constructing a permanent settlement. This is where it all began. The dawn of agriculture allowed these early humans to settle down and create the very first villages.
Spring. The successful cultivation of healthy wheat marked a pivotal moment. For the first time, these early humans could envision a life.
The Neolithic era marked a profound shift. With the development of farming, humanity began to build permanent homes and communities along fertile rivers. As the tribe settled, they began constructing more permanent homes. This cooperation was essential for survival and the growth of the community. As the Neolithic age progressed, some tribes began to settle, cultivating the land. But others, the nomads,
to protect their vital wheat crops from wild animals. Early humans devised simple but effective wooden fences.
As agriculture developed, so did the need to protect the harvest. These early farmers learned to fashion rudimentary scarecrows from sticks and hides.
By planting seeds in neat, straight rows, the elder ensured the crops would grow efficiently, a crucial lesson for the next generation.
With the development of agriculture, early humans began to work together, planting the crops that would sustain their growing villages.
This simple act of offering food marks the dawn of a new era. The wild goat, once hunted, now begins its vengeance. The dawn of agriculture marked a pivotal moment. With the cultivation of crops like wheat, early human communities found stability.
As autumn draws to a close, the community works together, gathering the harvest and ensuring enough provisions are stored to last the coming winter months.
During the ice season, the village relied on cooperation. Safe inside their homes, the grain they had
The development of agriculture allowed these groups to settle, forming the very first villages where everyone contributed to the survival of the community. The transition to farming brought about profound changes. Villages grew, and with them, the need for cooperation and organized labor. Here we see the dawn of commerce. One village trades surplus grain for the expertly crafted stone tools and animal skins of their neighbors. By hafting a polished stone to a sturdy wooden handle, early humans developed the first specialized farming tools, dramatically increasing their efficiency. This division of labor, known as specialization, allowed early human societies to become more efficient and produce a wider variety of goods.
With a reliable food source established, the village could now focus its collective energy on expansion.
As settlements grew, protection became paramount. These early villagers are constructing a palisade wall, essential for safeguarding their
Early forms of leadership were crucial for survival.
If we move south by the next full moon, the herds will be plentiful.
With the advent of organized farming, these early humans laid the groundwork for the very first civilizations, transforming the landscape and their way of life.
This is the dawn of a new era. With the reorganization of society around agriculture, humans began to settle.
With the reliable abundance of the harvest, these early farmers could finally settle down, building the foundations of the first civilizations. The village was expanding rapidly now. Many new families were building homes beside the fertile fields, creating a vibrant and happy community.
The domestication of animals like goats, sheep, and cattle marked a pivotal moment in early human history. This young shepherd represents a pivotal moment in human history, guiding his flock not just across the fields.
Utilizing local resources, the villagers worked together, replacing their temporary shelters with robust, long-lasting homes. The invention of pottery allowed these early communities to store food and water more efficiently, a crucial step in human development.
The development of organized storage, particularly for surplus grain, was a monumental step for early human settlements.
This simple yet revolutionary tool, crafted from polished stone and wood, marked the dawn of agriculture.
With the dawn of agriculture came the opportunity for surplus. Villages traded essential goods like grain, tools, and
engines. As communities grew, so did the need for trade. Early marketplaces allowed for the exchange of vital resources. With the dawn of the village came specialized professions. While some tilled the fields, others mastered the art of pottery and construction. This period saw the dawn of agriculture. Families worked together, using rudimentary tools to cultivate the land and craft pottery for storage. The elders' wisdom was crucial for survival. This harvest will sustain us through the winter, but only if we work as one. During the dry season, cooperation was essential for survival. The villagers gathered, realizing that only by working.
Here we see early examples of coordinated labor. By digging these simple canals, they could divert the river directly to their thirsty.
With healthy crops and domesticated animals, these early Neolithic communities experienced unprecedented prosperity and growth. Over time, the village expanded significantly. The introduction of organized roads and dedicated storage buildings marked a new era of civilization. The Neolithic era marked a profound shift. For the first time, humans cultivated the land, transforming scattered settlements into organized communities.
As the last ice age ended, humans began to settle down, transitioning from hunting and gathering to systematic farming.
The rise of agriculture didn't just change where we lived, it fundamentally altered the course of human history, leading us inexorably towards